You can use caulk caps or stoppers on tubes of different caulk types with care, but compatibility and preservation technique matter more than the brand name. Most rubber caulk caps fit common nozzle sizes and will work across silicone, latex, and polyurethane tubes because the nozzle geometry is similar for cartridge and squeeze tubes. For best results, clean the nozzle tip thoroughly of excess material before applying any cap so the seal sits against cured or tacky residue rather than fresh beads. For silicone, which remains more flexible and can bond to some rubbers, press the cap on firmly and store the tube upright with the nozzle pointing up so any remaining material does not cure in the tip. For latex and acrylics, which skin over faster and can be water-based, wrap a small piece of plastic film around the nozzle under the cap to keep moisture out and keep the tube in a cool, dry place to slow skinning. Polyurethane foams and adhesives can expand or cure in confined spaces, so use a rigid stopper size to the nozzle bore and purge any pressure by dispensing a little into a disposable container before sealing. Always mark the date and type on the tube to avoid cross-contamination and to know how long it has been opened. The common issues are using a cap that does not form an airtight seal, which lets solvent or water escape, causing skinning. So choose a snug rubber or silicone cap and clean the mating surface first. Another problem is leaving cured material in the nozzle, which prevents a cap from seating, so remove hardened residue with a probe or cut the tip back and then reseal. A third issue is assuming one method fits all chemistries. Some foams or reactive adhesives will expand or cure under a cap. So purge pressure and use a rigid plug or transfer remaining product to a smaller, suitable dispenser when practical. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare services in the context of home sealing and finishing projects. We also help contractors find work and participate in our site discussion community where we and other users trade tips, product recommendations, and troubleshooting advice.